Yeah, welcome back. Uh, Now we are going to see the social responsibility of management. Here, it is a basic thing that every business firm has to think that they think how they are going to supporting to the environment or the society. Because organization it runs in a business environment. The business environment will give the inputs and the resources to run an organization. So once organization started producing something, and that has to go to the again to the environment, to the society. So it is a responsibility of every organization or every management to give a proper value or proper give back to the society. So here the social responsibility plays a major role. How an organization is going give back to the society. It means the social responsibility means that the businesses, in addition to the maximizing the shareholders value, they must act in a manner that benefit to the society also. See, the society which gives to the organization a lot, but majority of the times the organizations are basically concentrate on wealth maximization. But here the organizations has to take care of the welfare of the society also. That is the basic purpose or the basic uh, theme of social responsibility. It is today the social responsibility has become increasingly important to the investors and consumers who seek investment that are not just profitable but also contribute to the welfare of the society and the environment. But there is a critic that argue that the basic nature of business does not consider the society as a stakeholder. Basically, the stakeholders usually the stakeholders are nothing but the people who are connected to the organization, who give and get the benefit from the organization. They concentrate more on the shareholders value, wealth maximization. But the organizations on the other end, they need to concentrate onto the society also, and they need to contribute for the welfare and growth of the society. That is the obligation for the managers or the management to take correct actions that protect or improve the welfare of the society as a whole, along with their other interests. The formal definition for the social responsibility is the management obligation to make choice and take action, to make choice and take actions that will contribute to the welfare and interests of the society as well as the organization. So this is the formal definition we can give for the social responsibility. Again, repeat the definition of the social responsibility. It's a management obligation to make choices and take actions that will contribute to the welfare and interests of the society as well as the organization, both to be considered. It is in for an organization, inside the wealth is also required and welfare of the society is also required. As a straightforward on this definition, the social responsibility can be a difficult concept to grasp because the different people have different beliefs to which the actions to be improve the society of the welfare. Because that is it will be the perception based. No, how we are going to be helping to the society, that depends upon to the mission, vision, philosophy of the organization. So as an management or as a manager, we need to concentrate on certain welfare activities in related to the different stakeholders of the business. So here, the social responsibility covers a range of issues, may of which are ambiguous with respect to the right and wrong. Someone say, well, if you're doing something to the society, someone say it is a right, someone say it is a wrong. But in the part of the organization, we are responsible to improve the welfare of the society by providing an appropriate product and appropriate process and appropriate uh, policies and it related to the environmental aspects and so. So we should identify that what an organization can do the society By doing of that, we can be responsible to the responsible to the society. So this is what in the overall social responsibility of the management. But social responsibility towards of the society will be in the different forms, such as responsibility towards of the consumer. Yeah, we are responsible to the different stakeholders. The stakeholders comes from the society, so we are should as a CSR, corporate social responsibility towards of the customer will also we need to mind while we are producing the goods and while we are giving the services to the customer. So we need to produce and customized product. We need to establish a fair pricing policy and with the reasonable profits. We need to have a prompt, adequate, friendly services to the customer. We need to ensure fairly wide distribution of the product among the selection of the customer. We need to improve their standard of living in society by producing goods and services which they needed. So this way we are able to strengthen the customer. Finally, we are able to strengthen the society. And we have a responsibility towards of employee also. It is not only employees come from the society only. Employee is a person who come from the society itself. If we develop our employee, and automatically we are going to be developing to the society. So here, for that, we need to have a fair remuneration system, providing the job security and safety. We need to have a proper working conditions and employee welfare. Trade union, we need to protect the trade union rights. We need to promote the employees and code of conduct and employee participation in management by encouraging the employee participation in management. In this way, we are able to strengthen the employee. Through that, we are able to strengthen the society. And responsibility towards of the community. I mean, here the community that it represents, the people who are connected towards of the organization. That is called the people who are surrounded to the organization is called community. So we are organization, as an organization, we are responsible to the society also, community also, by providing the civic administration for a better public services, and civic administration that that called, if any natural calamity or like today we are seeing that COVID situation, when organization will take care of the local community, and automatically that it takes the responsibility of the organization of the existing local community by providing some sort of food, sanitizations, or shelter, or whatever it may be. This makes that we are helping to this local community. Through that, we are able to strengthen the society. This is the another responsibility that the organizations is supposed to have. So here, some of the elements under the community development point of view, we can provide aids. For example, we can provide aids to the schools, and support to the schools, colleges, and education institutions. We need to promote community in philanthropical activities. Can promote the culture enhancement, like we can encourage the greater participation into the different cultural activities, encourage sports, organizing community farms, minimizing the pollution which affect the community in the efforts in pollution, and help the community efforts in this direction. And we can abandon the we can leave that I mean, by displaying the wealth, and we can say that the living standards can be improved of the local community by providing an appropriate aids, that we by providing the self-employment schemes, and so this way we are able to improve the communities levels. There are 10 commandant corporate social responsibility activities. We need to take corrective actions before it is required, work with affected constituents to resolve the multiple problems. Already I told community problem, pollution problem, educational problem, culture problem, environmental problem. So these are all things to be resolved while it is going to be becoming multiple problems. Work and establish industry-wide standards and self-regulation. Business has to establish an appropriate regulations, has to obey the government rules and regulations, and publicly admit your mistakes. If any mistakes have happened, accept that, and give certain remedies to that. Get involved into appropriate social programs, like in the current pandemic situation, how the organization is going to support to the local community employees No, paying of the fair wage today is quite difficult, because where people are not working, companies are not getting production. Because of that, we are not able to reduce the salaries of the employees, because that depend on the company. We need to take the responsibility of that. So here, get involved, monitor the changes into the social environment, establish and enforce the corporate code of conduct in the company, take needed public stands on social issues, try to make profits on ongoing basis. Okay, one time we are not able to get the profit. On time basis, every day or every time we are getting profit, some portion of the profit has to go for the to uplift the society. So these are the 10 rules. If you follow, then ultimately we are able to improve the social responsibility. So now I think you understood what is the social responsibility and how the social responsibility can be improved. So finally, we can say it is social responsibility is obligation of the organization to take actions that which will contribute to the welfare and interests of the society. So this is about the social responsibility. Thank you. We will see with other element in the next session.